What exactly are Instagram guides? So, to begin, with what exactly are Instagram guides? Instagram guides are the hot new feature that the problem has just been added. To reiterate, this section will be discussing the founding principles of Instagram guides, before giving a step-by-step explanation into creating one in later chapters. In more recent months, Instagram has become, not only a platform for people sharing the highlights of their life but also a fantastic source of information. By introducing the guides feature, Instagram is capitalizing this and allowing users to share information in a whole new way. Instagram guides were implemented because the platform wanted a way for its users to more easily discover recommendations, tips and other content from their favorite users. When guides were first rolled out, they focused on ideas of wellness, with specific brands and organizations that were wellness-oriented being able to use the feature first. Given how long many people spend on their phones, being able to get useful and actionable information that is already integrated into the platforms that they already frequent, particularly on wellness topics, was a fantastic idea. Guides are a step-by-step flow of posts. Similar to a story or video, guides are a great way to show a running commentary of a particular element of business or add detail into certain aspects of your brand. They are somewhat similar to an article that you might link, instead it is an embedded feature in your profile. It is a great way to create unique content, yet still keep it on the same platform. Essentially, guides are a way that you can create one single resource around a specific topic or content area. They can consolidate your posts and thoughts into one single post, a guide, and even supplement your own posts with those from other users. Instagram guides kind of resembles a blog post, in theory. Guides can include text, photos, and videos. A huge benefit to the implementation of this feature is that some users are unlikely to leave a platform in order to get additional content. Having to click a link to a website or another social media site turns a lot of users off of buying or engaging with your content. Guides are a great way to centralize your content onto one popular platform that your audience already uses. When you are on your Instagram profile, you see, obviously, your bio, as well as any story highlights. Below that, you typically see two choices: feed posts and tagged posts. Depending on your usage, you may see an icon that depicts IGTV or Reels, as well. Guides will add a new icon to your profile that looks like an open magazine. We will be discussing the difference and benefits of different types of posts in the following chapter. So, basically, an Instagram guide is just that, a guide. It is a resource and a way to expand upon your posts and create a deeper and more in-depth showcase of particular topics or content types.